Well, thank you again for joining us tonight. Really enjoyed your presentation. Can you give us your name, title, and the organization that you're with?
My name is Chissell. I'm the founder and CEO of Advanced Energy Group.
Can you give us a brief overview of the topics that you discussed tonight?
Tonight I wanted to cover, just in general, the concept of market transformation and how that's a leadership challenge that needs to be addressed through stakeholder engagement, which is a term that is often not really understood in terms of what it entails or what it can achieve.
Wonderful. So throughout the lecture tonight, if you had one or two really key takeaways that you'd want somebody to be able to go home with, what would those be?
One, if you're excited by the challenge of decarbonizing cities or any type of really massive market transformation, that is going to require diverse collaboration. And one thing with wading through with diverse collaboration is the importance of an ongoing dialogue versus an annual event. It needs to be what we use as a quarterly process to maintain that momentum, to achieve agreement on what are the true problems and what are the most necessary solutions that require collaboration.
Wonderful. So through the last several years, we've seen some really big innovations in the transportation and energy sector. In your mind, what are some of the biggest things happening in this space that we should be thinking about and planning for?
I think what's exciting about mobility and transportation as it relates to overall clean energy revolution of cities is that demand drives the equation, which has been a lot of the problems with innovation with utilities or with regulators is not having innovation come from demand. Whereas with transportation, we can all buy these cars, and these cars, when bought in mass, are going to completely change the fabric of infrastructure necessary for cities. And so I think that's a powerful concept to consider.
Wonderful. Well, now for one fun question. What's your favorite mode of transportation?
Well, I really like the electric scooter. I mean, I'm in 5 cities quarterly now, and so I check out the transportation composition of each city and what are my options and my preferred mode. If I see electric scooter, that's my preferred mode. I've even changed my backpack to a backpack and put a strap on my briefcase so that I'm ready to get on a scooter whenever I see one.
Wonderful. Well, thank you again for your time tonight and for the wonderful presentation. We really enjoyed it and hope to work with you some more in the future.
Yeah, I'm inspired by your work. Thank you.
Thank you.